Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back this weekend. And this is a breaking video since low pressure area 93W is now tropical depression Florita. It has been upgraded into a tropical cyclone since this morning, and this is our initial update here at YouTube and the Facebook video as well. Now, this is for today, Sunday, August 21st, Ninoy Aquino Day. This is the English version brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin. Here is the fast animation from University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. This is their grab from the Himawari satellite. And here is now the circulation of developing tropical depression Florita. And it's moving closer towards Northern Luzon. You can clearly see the trough affecting the eastern seaboards of Luzon, also the Bicol region and eastern Visayas. And don't be surprised if there are lots of thunderstorms nearby that could bring rainfall, lightning strikes, and possible flooding in low-lying areas. So please take all necessary precautions as the weather will continue to worsen, particularly late Monday through Tuesday or Wednesday morning, as the system has again showing some possible landfall over the northern tip of Luzon or over Northern Cagayan and Ilocos Norte within the next 48 to 55 hours. So we are going to give you now the latest. Here's the fast animation from the NOAA servers, courtesy of Himawari 8. And here's the tropical depression. As you can see, the northern quadrant, I'm going to show it to you. This is the northern and northeastern quadrant, is devoid of any cloudiness, okay, because of a very strong vertical wind shear or northeasterly wind shear, which is blowing this direction, and most of its deep convection or deep thunderstorm clouds are located to the southwest. And you can clearly see the center is somewhere along the edge of the convection, somewhere here. That's why the northern and northeastern quadrant is free of thick clouds. So it's a sign that there's a ongoing upper level or vertical wind shear that blows from the northeast, pushing the clouds towards the southwest, and it endangers Luzon and portions of Bicol region for possible rain showers and thunderstorms within the next 2 to 3 days. And if we take a look at the wind shear, okay, this is the wind shear from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. The center of the cyclone is somewhere here, okay, and then you can clearly see this orange, or call this northeasterly winds, okay, blowing from the northeast, and it pushes the convection to the south. That's why it's devoid of any clouds, okay, thunderstorm clouds, so cumulonimbus clouds here to the northeast of the system. So it's still quite disorganized, but in the next 24 to 48 hours, this wind shear will begin to relax, and we expect rapid intensification, becoming a tropical storm as it passes over the northern tip of Luzon. This is our track which we issued last night as a tropical disturbance, or LPA, 8 p.m. This is Stormwatch number 1. Later on, we are going to release our first tropical cyclone advisory on Florita. And the latest right now, okay, we are going to put the system right now. It's here, okay, so the tropical depression is here. And then based on the latest forecast from the European model, the system will still move more to the southwest, and then it will start to move quickly towards the northwest, passing over the northern coastline of Northern Cagayan along Santa Ana, and then it will move towards that direction. While the American model is also similar, it will track towards this direction as well. So it's all going to cross the Balintang Channel or over the Luzon Strait, very close to the northern coastal areas of Cagayan and Ilocos Norte. But the problem is much of the rain bands are located to the south. So if it's to the south, we expect, okay, this area will have more rains, okay. So Northern Luzon, Central Luzon will have scattered to widespread rain showers and thunderstorms beginning late Monday to Wednesday morning because of the passage of this tropical cyclone. The southwest monsoon is currently focused on the outer low pressure area over northern Vietnam. So most of the flow of the monsoon is going there, not on this system, but when the system passes over Balintang Channel, the rain bands of the southwest monsoon will start to feed in, okay. So it will affect portions of western Luzon as well. Here's the steering environment that pushes the cyclone on a west-southwest, okay. There's a temporary high pressure steering ridge here, which pushes the cyclone more to the west-southwest at a speed of maybe this is only around 20 knots. And then the movement of the cyclone is around 12 kilometers per hour. So that's the reason why it's moving a little bit to the southwest. And later on, it will this high pressure will retreat. Either it will move towards this direction. Let me change it to blue. Okay, and it will push more to the northwest. The direction of the cyclone will move towards the northwest as the high pressure area reorients to the north of tropical storm or tropical depression Florita. And here's the other one. This is LPA97W. The driver of this system is the high pressure here. So this ridge will steer the cyclone more to the north, and this is not a threat to our country. But this one, we have a weak one here, and we have no. Okay, it's here, and then another one here. Actually, this one is already weakening. This is the new one, but it will move towards the east, and this cyclone will start to move towards the northwest after the southwest jog for the next 24 hours. Let me see here. There's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com. You can clearly see here the stretch of the trough of tropical depression Florita, bringing some rains and thunderstorms already along the eastern seaboards of Luzon, including the Bicol region and eastern Visayas. While over the rest of Visayas, these are localized thunderstorms, and also portions of Zamboanga Peninsula and western Luzon is also affected by thunderstorm activity, but it will change to a southwesterly wind flow beginning tomorrow, Tuesday, as the system traverses extreme northern Luzon. Here's the forecast from windy.com. This is the rain forecast until Wednesday. So this afternoon there will be a threat of thunderstorms here in various sections of Luzon. Tomorrow, Monday afternoon, another rain condition will be expected over northern Luzon because of the rain bands of Florita affecting already northern Luzon. And there will be also some threat of rain showers in various sections of Luzon late Monday afternoon. And on Tuesday afternoon, the system will be very close to the coastline of northern Cagayan, so expect more rainfall over northern Luzon and portions of central Luzon, while some thunderstorms will also be expected over Visayas. While the Bicol region will have lesser chances of thunderstorms as the system moves farther away to the north of Bicol. And on Wednesday afternoon, the cyclone is already exceeding the PAR, but much rainfall will be expected, or more rainfall will be expected across Ilocos region, particularly Ilocos Norte and portions of central Luzon, southern Tagalog provinces, and Bicol region, and also Visayas, because of the southwesterly wind flow that will be enhanced by tropical cyclone Florita. So here's the 3-day rainfall accumulation forecast until Tuesday or Wednesday. So much of Luzon will be covered with rainfall, including Metro Manila And also along the western sections of the Bicol region and also parts of Naga City will also have some thunderstorms within the next 3 days, and the western sections of Mimaropa as well as western Visayas because of the enhancement of the southwest monsoon come Tuesday and Wednesday. Now on the wind forecast, okay, this is the European model, it's the latest. It shows that the track will move southwest and move northwest Tuesday, passing very close to the northern tip of Cagayan on Tuesday evening. Wednesday, it will traverse the Balintang Channel, and on Thursday or Wednesday evening, it will be out of the Philippine area of responsibility. Thursday, it will make landfall over southern China, okay, in eastern Guangdong. While if we return to today, we start the American model. It almost identical with its track with the European model. Tuesday evening, it will also pass very close to northern Cagayan, traverse, let me see, in the early morning, it will traverse extreme northern Luzon, passing very close to Calayan Island in Cagayan, or it's the southern part of the Babuyan Islands. That will be Tuesday evening, and early Wednesday morning, it will be out of the West Philippine Sea. Wednesday afternoon, exiting the Philippine area of responsibility. Okay, so that's the forecast. So both of the computer models, the American and the European model, are identical on the track. That the areas of the Balintang Channel, particularly Calayan Island of the Babuyan, also Batanes and Northern Cagayan-Ilocos provinces will be greatly affected by the rain bands of tropical depression Florita. So we will keep you updated. By tomorrow, we will give you the very latest. So this is a glimpse of our GovSat for today. So that's the scenario. We have here a twin low pressure system that will track towards the north, but not a threat to our country, so we don't mind that two systems. So here's the southwest monsoon becoming only a southerly wind flow or southerlies, but later on it will again reactivate it once this LPA weakens. So the flow will again shift towards Florita. So that's it. That's the latest for this Sunday. And we will return again tomorrow, Monday, to give you more updates on the weather. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.